Hey guys, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a 2003 911 Targa. This is a kind of a rare one to come by here. This car has 126,000 miles. It's in very good condition for 126,000 miles. It's not a perfect car. There's some scuffs on two of the wheels. The front seats have been reupholstered in cloth instead of leather. It's got an aftermarket radio with Bluetooth, JBL amp. It's got two subwoofers behind the front seats. Two-owner car. Lots and lots of records with this car. Clutch has been done. IMS has been done. It runs perfect. There's no warning lights on. No oil leaks. The AC works perfect. Headlights have been replaced to look nice and clear. Those are usually yellow. A few little rock chips on the front bumper. Nothing crazy. For the mileage and the age, I consider this a very, very nice example. And it's not a lot of money for a 911 Targa. Take a look inside. See, we got the top open here. This whole hatch opens up. This car has the xenon headlight option, the Bose sound package, and power front seats. Okay, these have been done in cloth. That was a preference of the previous owner. The back are factory, and you have subwoofers right here behind both seats. Never seen that before. It does sound good. Side, we've got 125,959. That's a parking brake light and the seatbelt light. Aftermarket screen. It does have a rear camera, and of course that 5-speed manual transmission makes this car a lot of fun. Got the Targa here on the scuff plates. It does have a spare tire. The tires are good, they're like new. Just a really nice car if you're on a budget. Have a lot of fun in this one. Still looks really good. Give us a call, text, or email. We'll get back to you quickly. Like and subscribe to our channel here. Post a car about every day, every other day that we're selling. If it's not on the website, it has sold. We can ship anywhere in the US. And we can also do remote deals. So feel free to give us a call if you're out of town. We can email you the paperwork, make it easy. We can work with any bank. We can also do cash deals. So we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.